Assalamu alaikum. JL Outsourcing invites you all. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In today's video we will talk in detail about what Google My Business is and how important it is for online business and its benefits. So viewers, if you want to know about outsourcing, freelancing, business, profession, skill building, various services and courses, you must subscribe to our channel. So let's go to the video. Google My Business is a free platform from Google that allows local businesses to promote themselves easily and for free. Google launched this service in 2014. You do not have to pay Google for this service. This is a great opportunity for Google to see your business first on Google Maps and Google search results. Observations show that 50 to 80% of Google visitors find businesses and services through Google Maps search. If you have a business, then Google My Business account is very important for you. Google My Business is an important component of digital marketing. Many of the conventional traders question why I take my business online. In conventional business, those of us who do business with shops or offices usually exchange goods and services to people directly, by phone or email. Many of these companies do not sell their products and services digitally. If you don't take your business online, you will lose a huge number of customers. If you want to expand your business and satisfy a large number of customers, you must start an online business now. Google My Business is an easy, affordable, and important way to conduct business online. Important reasons to take your offline business online: if you have a Google My Business account, website, or free website, social media page, any e-commerce platform, or all of these will be an important help in getting your business online. Here are some important reasons why you should take your business online. Establish your business as a brand. Make it easy for your business to reach your potential customers. Marketing your brand to a wider clientele. Marketing your product in the largest area outside of certain boundaries. Build good relationships with your existing and potential customers. Provide good quality customer service. Reducing business operating costs. Research your competitors and improve business strategies. And the internet is a medium that allows your business to easily reach your potential customers and exchange more of your products and services. With this facility you can improve your customer satisfaction and quality of service. So now is the time to take your offline business online. Connect your business identity to Google My Business. Google My Business is an important tool to bring your business online. So when you type JL Outsourcing and search on Google, you will see our company profile will appear on the right side. This will show our map here. Here our organization is showing JL Outsourcing, then here is our website. When you click here, our website will open, directions are given, calls are given. Then here is our phone number. So if you want to contact us easily, if you search by typing our company name, you will see that the profile of our Google My Business will come up. From here you can easily find our website, contact us and get various information, and here you can see our Facebook page, our website, and the various social media and websites that we have. When you do a Google search, you will find that our profile is easy to find. Also, if you click on the map, you will see where our organization is. So the advantage is that if you list your organization on Google My Business, your customers will find your organization this way. What is Google My Business? On Google My Business page you can post your business name, address, various business information, pictures, videos, and you will also get a free website from here. Google My Business is a system for keeping all the information of your business in Google. Ensure that customers can get all the information needed to purchase your product, communicate with your business organization, and view your website. Google is a popular search engine in the world. 95% of searches are done through Google. If you create a Google My Business account, Google will promote your business and deliver your products or services to your potential customers. Google My Business. How to present on Google. If you search by typing the name of a business organization, then the business organization will publish all the information separately in a box on the right side of the laptop or desktop and above the mobile. This is called knowledge graph or one box result. The following information is usually seen in this section. Name of business organization. Business organization category. Map of business organization, location of business organization. Contact address of the business organization. Schedule time to contact the business organization. Phone number, website, call options, for mobile. Menu link, order link, reservation list, payment system. Photo, logo, working photos, team, business information, various types of posts, videos. Question and answer session. Business review. Rating. Special offers. Also, when you type coffee shop near me and do a Google search, you will see the results as shown in the image below. This is called Google 3-pack or local pack. Also, if you type coffee shop near me and do mobile search, Google Map and Google Assistant search, then you will see as shown in the image below. So look, I'm staying in Chittagong now. If I search here for coffee shop near me, you will see that all the coffees around me are displayed on this map. There are 3 shops coming down here. If I click view all, then many shops will come up. The map shows you where the coffee shops are, the coffee shops that are coming here, the people who are working on the Google My Business account. Now, if you don't work on Google My Business account but your organization will not appear in the map like this here. You don't even have to list your Google My Business account here, you can bring it to the top if you want through SEO. Hope you understand that if you list a business on Google My Business, then how your business is displayed on Google and on Google Maps. How do people quickly find your business? If I click here coffee shop, their name is coming up showing the posted pictures. Then customers will find and interact with everything from this map. For example, if you type business development service and search on Google, then you will see our organization on Google Map, and our organization is above all in 3-pack. You can see on Google Map where this organization is. There is a mobile number. You can contact directly on the mobile number if you wish. Then there is the direction option. Here is our website. If you want to know the details, you can find the detailed information from our website by clicking here. If you want, you can click here view all, then you will see different companies in the map, and there are many pages here, there are many companies, you will see them. Online customers will see your business management information, various posts, customer reviews and other necessary information. This means that all the information, posts that you put into your Google My Business account and on your website will be visible to your customers on Google Search and Google Maps. Why Google My Business listing is needed? 80% of people search Google for local business information for purchasing goods and services. About 30 to 50% of those who search contact the business. Most of the people who search for local business buy goods or services. Most small and medium businesses rely on local customers for their products and services, and they will be more profitable if they use this feature of Google My Business. Features of Google My Business account. Google My Business has a number of features, some of which are described below. Posts. In this option you can post different types of posts that your customers can see. Info. With this option you will give all the information of your business. Insights. With this option you will get a statistic of how many people have visited your account. Reviews. You will see your customer reviews in this option. Messages. You will see your customers' messages in this option. Photo. In this option you can post different pictures of your business. Products. In this option you can post your various products. Services. In this option you can post various services of your business organization. Website. With this option you can create a free website for your business. Advantages of using Google My Business. An easy way to get your business online. Find your business easily on Google's one-box result, Google 3-pack or local pack, mobile search, Google Maps, Google Search, and Google Assistant search. On one platform customers will find everything like your website, mobile number, map location, address, business schedule, your products and services, photos, videos, posts, various questions and answers, comments, reviews, etc. It plays an important role for local SEO. Deliver your business to your desired customer. The reputation of your business will be established through a beautiful business profile. Able to gain credibility from the customer. Business expansion and sales will increase. Knowledge of business management will increase. Organizations that can create Google My Business pages, any kind of organization or agency, small, medium, or large size shop or restaurant. Any type of service provider. Any business organization with a specific address. However, this facility will not be applicable without any organization or business. Google My Business will not be applicable for short-term rental or temporary business. Ownership transfer and user. You can transfer ownership of your business page and hire someone to do all the work on your page, such as posting, updating, etc. To add a user, click on User Options in your menu bar. Then you will see a pop-up menu and there will be an option to add email. There you can add the email address of the user you want to add. Then select your specific option from Choose a Role. Then click on Invite. Then if the user accepts, then the user ad will be complete. Google My Business app. You can do all the work of Google My Business page by downloading and installing Google My Business app on your mobile. Our services at Google My Business, listing Google My Business in an accurate and beautiful way. SEO-friendly Google My Business listing. Creating a free website of Google My Business page. Google My Business account verification. Google My Business account verification without a postcard. Google My Business account instant verification. Google My Business SEO. Google My Business optimization. Google My Business product listing. Posting photos, videos, articles on Google My Business. We also do all the things that are needed to do business online, such as creating Google My Business page, creating free websites or professional websites, creating e-commerce websites, creating social media pages, creating YouTube channels, digital marketing, etc. If you like our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Visit our website and follow our social pages. Comment on the video. Everyone will be fine and healthy. So far today. Allah Hafiz.